Okay, morning everyone. This is day 8 of the AutoCAD 30-day challenge. Today we're going to do something a bit more different. Today we're going to stop focus on single kind of commands, tools and features. What we're now going to do is start to work on a little mini project which will take us from day 8 up to day 14. Over this little mini project we're going to basically do a series of parts and components, and we're going to join these parts and components into a little mini assembly which helps develop your skills learned over the last 7 days and progress them slightly further. So let's have a look at the challenge. So this little challenge then, this is a base plate for a scissor jack, and what we're going to do is build up the scissor jack components over the next couple of days, and then on the last day we're going to then assemble this little scissor jack together. It gives you a bit of practice of doing stuff like blocking and building up for an assembly feature. This is the first time we have these different views as well, so this is where we can look at different elements, okay, and we can also now start to project different views on a single page. So here on this page we have a top view, we have a frontal view, and we have a right view zone. So when we break it down, we just draw a box around them. Okay, up here is the frontal zone, this zone here is the front, this zone's the top, and this last little zone is the right hand feature. And they enable us to view our part in different views and give a third angle projection, so we can see top, front and side. Obviously that's part of the orthographic spectrum, with the opposite as being first angle, where it looks at different sides of our shape. So I hope you have fun. Hope you can bring some new skills to this technique, and once you remember any solutions or problems you interface, leave in the comments. Make sure you check add the 6 PM solution so you can help you along your way as well. So have fun guys, catch you soon.